Hello guys, I continue presenting you new features of the new Filament 3, and today we will be talking about info lists. So in the table, by the way, I'm showing the official demo of demo.filamentphp.com. It's public, you can check that out. So I didn't even clone it locally. I will demonstrate it on the official demo. And here you can see, in addition to edit and delete, the view link. And view link is interestingly a separate page that looks like this. So a full detailed page, it's more appropriate, I think, for something like orders or products in eShop, for example, for multiple tables, or for example, on Booking.com, you can think about it as a hotel page or something like that. In this case, for the official demo, it's a blog post. But the logic is the same. You can have sections, you can have multiple columns, you can view pictures, you can have additional tables which could be opened or closed like this, and a lot of stuff. And this is all that page is Infolist. If we take a look at the official documentation of viewing records, all you need to do to define the Infolist is in the resource class define the method of Infolist, and then the schema is filled with entries like text entry and columns and grids and whatever you want. So this is how you do that if you create a new resource with -- view. But if you have already a resource existing and you don't want to regenerate that, another option is to create that page with this filament command, providing the resource and providing the view record. Now, Infolists, or Infolist Builder as it is called officially, is a package that you can use even outside of Filament in your TallStack Livewire projects. That's why it is separated in the official docs. In addition to the older panel, form, and table builders, now there are separate packages, and one of those packages is Infolist Builder. To define various entries in the Infolist, as you saw previously, you can define text entries. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can define columns, you can define column span, you can define layouts, you can define sections, and then inside of the section have another schema of text entries, and then this way you build the full page with various layouts components which are actually present outside of Infolist and Filament in general, like sections, grids, and others. And to demonstrate you all the power of that, let's take a look at the source code of this exact page. It is available also for free on GitHub, and this is how it looks. So post resource of the blog, and in here we define Infolist, which has a schema of section and then another section. Inside of that first section, we make a split and make a grid of 2 items, and in each item of that grid, we first have title, slug, and published ad. Visually, it's this one. And then in another component of the group, we have other text entries like author name, category name, and tags, which is this one. And then also on the right, we have image entry, which looks like this. So in this way, you structure it however you want. And at the bottom, make content with text entry like this, which is collapsible, which enables this behavior. Then also set relations for comments relation manager would enable this section. So in addition to the post itself, you could see the comments and you can actually search here. So this is also interactive. So this is just an example how you can divide your Infolist page into various sections, groups, and entries. So I think this new feature of Infolist gets Filament closer, even closer to public-facing pages. So I imagine this page to be public for, as I said, eShop or product details or booking details or something like that, even outside of admin panel. I will experiment with that a little more when I have more time, and I will try to build a public Infolist and show it for you. Meanwhile, I'm fully busy simultaneously shooting these videos for new Filament features and also working on the course, on the updated course, Filament 3 from scratch. So for now, we have 7 lessons here. At the time of shooting this video, at the time this video airs, probably there will be more lessons. So you may check that out if you want to start with Filament from scratch, lesson by lesson. I will link that course in the description below. And in upcoming few videos, we will take a look at more new features of Filament 3 on this channel for the rest of this week. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.